Alok Pandey brings the story of where he says how the angry father of a soldier said, "Don't call it sacrifice." He said that 4 of the dead soldiers are from Uttar Pradesh. Each of them are from poor families where a job in the army means a lot for the family, even beyond serving the country. Rajesh and Alok Pandey now report and profile the area and what the army means to them.
लड़ाई में मरे होते तो हमको पूरा गर्व होता, उग्रवादी मारे इसलिए गर्व तो नहीं है, हमको तकलीफ ही तकलीफ है.
Not just anger arising out of grief, but also a reality check. At the home of soldier Rajesh Singh in Jaunpur, soldiers like Rajesh and Sepoy Ganesh Shankar in the Sant Kabir Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh were young men who wanted to get into the army. Because for them, it was not just about serving the nation, but also a source of employment. A job that made them earn enough to support families back home. Even now, about 25 boys from the village in Sant Kabir Nagar are preparing to try and join the army. 3 other families already have their men serving the army at various locations. 18-year-old Shyam Narayan Chaudhary is one of those who hopes a job with the army will help serve the country and also secure his future.
क्यों नहीं होता है सर, दुख तो होता ही है. उन लोगों को ऐसा करना ही नहीं चाहिए सर, पहली बात. तो इसलिए सर हम लोग के देश के लिए, मतलब जो वहाँ जवान रहते हैं हम लोग की रक्षा के लिए रहते हैं सर, इसीलिए वह लोग जागते हैं तो हम लोग सोते हैं फिर. तो सर ऐसा कोई सोच, ऐसी मतलब घटना होनी नहीं चाहिए वहाँ.
Or 19-year-old Shrikant Yadav, who says Ganesh was an inspiration for young boys like him in the village.
हमारा मनोबल कम नहीं होता है.
क्यों?
हमारे गांव वालों को एक कष्ट है, लेकिन मेरा ये फिक्र है कि ये खुशी की बात है कि क्योंकि मेरे गांव का जवान जा करके देश के लिए शहीद हुआ है.
At Ganesh's home, his friends and family recount how a job in the army was a dream for Ganesh and a ticket to status in the village and prosperity for the family from the steady income he sent back.
पूरा गणेश शंकर जी तो ही उनका परिवार भी बहुत बढ़िया था और पढ़ाई के पीरियड में हमेशा जो है सेना की बात करते थे और भगवान पर्सनालिटी भी उनको दिए थे, दौड़ लगाते थे.
Ganesh would have come home next in October. There were plans to fix younger sister Indravati's marriage.
हमारे भाई की नौकरी हम पूरे परिवार के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी थी. हर एक लोग उन्हीं पे टिका था.
कैसे?
मेरे एक चाचा थे और मेरे पिताजी थे, वो दोनों लोग एक्सपायर हो गए एक दिन के अंतराल में. उसके बाद उन्हीं पे हम लोग टिके थे.
For the family of Ganesh Shankar and the families of all others who died in Uri, an army job meant a lot. In places like UP, where even the job, a government job for sweepers, sees thousands of applications, even from postgraduates and graduates, a job in the army means a secure future, a future that is under cloud for these families. In Sant Kabir Nagar with Tanveer Alam and camera person Rajesh Gupta, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.